As you keep your enemies closer, you know what I'm saying? This what happens, you know, you always gonna have somebody that's gonna be like a snake or something, be cool and stuff like that. And we ain't worried about the fame, we ain't worried about none of that. Actually, we don't care about that. That is something that we don't care about. Spirituality is our life. It's not just to, you know what I'm saying, oh, fame this, fame. Nah, it's our life.
This is learning that this is a whole learning lesson. This is a whole learning lesson. Really keep the things that we
I mean, in reality, if an abusive person is trying to come to your house and you trying to get a restraining order, whatever the case, they is not allowed to come on your property. Whatever, they're not allowed. So this what he did. And you talking about yourself. When you speak those words, you talking about yourself. So be careful with say, because it comes back like karma. Be careful what you say. Be careful what you say. I would hate for them words like the way you put them out there. Nah. They came out the wrong house. That's what they did. Cause you saying shame on us for calling. I mean, what? You want to fight or something? Is that what you trying to say? You want to fight? Cause you don't come over somebody's house unexpected.
That shit fucked up, though. Black man can't see his daughter.
Excuse me. Alfred, you can't tell them to leave.
When I go, you go to my partner to the police station. Okay?
Okay.
Mira, la nena que se la lleve.
Take your daughter.
Yes.
Da que se vaya.
Aquí debería haber estado Rodríguez Mota, que es el que sabe inglés. Pero entonces lo dejan allá para hacer gestiones personales.
Hey, like, what the fuck? Turned out a little different, you know. Yeah.
See what happens. I told you, every time when you go against the truth, see what happens. Lesson learned. I've been said. I don't know. Yeah, I was saying it. And you were saying that since. But it's about experience, bro. Experience shows, bro. Like,
A woman has a choice. I mean, a woman has a choice. If she chooses not to deal with a certain person, she has a choice to not deal with that person, not for it to be forced on her, where he's stalking her.
Yeah, he's definitely stalking me. Definitely stalking me. I don't want to have nothing to do with him. He needs to leave. He needs to leave me alone. He needs to leave us alone. I don't like him. I don't want to be with him. I don't need him in my life. I don't need that energy. And Eliana doesn't either. He's toxic, period. And if you don't like that, then that's on you, period.
Oh, look. He's saying he's trying to join. Look. He's trying to join. All right, Dea. I'll see you later. Look, he hopped in there. Nah, he going. Get in the van, girl. You want to go? Aw, damn.
For real?
He ain't coming back.
That's it yet?
You think they about to turn on you?
Oh, I got a mask on.
Hey, man, what?
Yeah, my bad.
No, nobody told him to come. Nobody told him to come.
Max, you Max.
That don't even make sense to say. Somebody told him to come. If we told him to come, it wouldn't be cops here.
Excuse me.
Let me check.
Tell him to come.
Who, Dylan?
Y'all just gonna have to rewatch this over to find out what really happened. You want me to end
I
it?
ain't trying to say it like that.
Hey, you want me to end the live?
Yeah, that's
You want me to
yeah,
end
but
it?
I really learned so much lessons
Can we
from
end it?
the
700? You want me to end it?
Yeah. Yo, hold up. Wait. Hold up. Let's just give them the last message. You know what I'm saying? All right. For everyone on this live, we are now the tribe of Judah.
We're the tribe of
We
Judah.
are the tribe of Judah, God's children, all of that. We live in life, peace and love. Ending it. Y'all gonna see us up there though. We can say the law.
Excuse me.